1989.
It's 6002790.
What's that?
Then underneath it's got a D343.
Your fingers?
Yeah. No.
Where'd you learn that?
Well, it's because of this. That oil in there's been getting real hot. I don't know what.
You're gonna be
It's
trouble.
getting real hot.
Are you gonna be trouble? You better not be. Say bye.
Yeah.